Mazda 6 AWD, more evidence surfaces. Last month, we learned that Mazda was seriously considering adding all-wheel drive to the Mazda 6 lineup due to high demand. Now, more evidence has surfaced that an all-wheel drive Mazda 6 could be coming sooner than later. As first reported by Motor Trend, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration website has listings for both the 2018 Mazda 6 with the standard front-wheel drive powertrain and the 2018 with all-wheel drive. Clicking on the all-wheel drive link reveals that it has the exact same safety ratings and features listed as the front-wheel drive model. Both pages also have links to the same technical data sheets, all of which are for the 2016 Mazda 6. This is the case with the 2017 model listed on the NHTSA site, too. Naturally, this by no means confirms that Mazda is bringing an all-wheel drive version to the United States. It's possible the inclusion was a mistake, or someone might have even typed an A instead of an F when creating that page. But also considering Mazda's interest in offering all-wheel drive, the existence of all-wheel drive Mazda 6 variants overseas, and the likely minor technical hurdles to overcome, we'd say the odds are pretty solid that we'll see 4-driven wheels in a Mazda 6 in the near future, even if not this model year.